Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to share with you what I eat in a day as a pregnant mom. I'm currently 14 weeks along in this video, and I start my day off with a little bit of orange juice. Not the best orange juice maybe, but Sunny Delight is what I've been craving lately, so I've been having a little bit of that to get my day started. And then I'm going to share with you guys my favorite protein shake recipe. I like to use this when I'm not necessarily super hungry, but I know I want to get some nutrition in, or if I'm like running out the door and just want to eat something that has a lot of good nutrients but isn't really time consuming, I will make this. You can use it with a ton of different protein powders, but this is just what I'm using today. So in this I do ice. I do about 4 or 5 ice cubes, half of a frozen banana. That gives it a really nice thick consistency. Then I use some honey almond butter and a little dash of cinnamon and my protein powder. My protein powder is vanilla that I'm using today, and I'm also using vanilla almond milk. And you notice with the protein powder, I don't use a full scoop. I do a little bit under a full scoop. And then I just combine everything and let it blend away. And honestly, you guys, you can do this with chocolate protein powder too. It's really yummy. I personally love it with any different kind of protein powder, and sometimes I'll add a little bit of whipped cream on top just to be a little extra fancy. And some chocolate chips is really good in here if you want a special treat too. Hey guys, I am sharing what I eat in a day today. As you have seen so far, I'm off to actually pick up some groceries, and I'm really craving tacos. Like, as soon as I got up today, I was thinking, oh my gosh, tacos sound so good. So I might pick up some tacos. It's so early, it's only 10, but I don't know, it might happen. I should just make tacos at home, probably, but then I have to wait for meat to thaw out. I don't know if I like that. So I'm just having my shake right now, and I'll figure out what I want to do. It's kind of a weird day because I woke up super late and I didn't do my workout or have like a normal breakfast. So I'm having a shake right now, but it's like I should be hungry in like an hour and a half, for lunch, but I don't think I'm gonna be. Or maybe I will because I'll get tacos. Who knows? We'll see. Tacos sound really good though. Tacos always sound good. Are tacos always a good idea to anyone else? Alright friends, so I'm home from getting the groceries and getting them all put away, and I got some cold brew coffee in my grocery order, so I'm making that today instead of my usual hot coffee. So I'm just using the stock cold brew coffee. It's actually a chocolate flavor, so you'll see me, this is weird, but you'll see me actually like sniff the cup of coffee once I pour it in there to see if I can smell any of the chocolate, and you totally can, and it tastes really, really good. So I highly recommend this one. The stock cold brew coffee is just a really good really good brand. So there's me sniffing the cup, and then I'm adding a little bit of creamer. This is all I do, just ice, a little bit of coffee, the creamer. This is sweet cream coconut milk creamer, and then a little bit of whipped cream on top, and that's my iced coffee. And it is so tasty. I got some on me. It's so good, and you can totally taste the chocolate in this. I really like that. And I've shared with you guys before that I really struggle to drink water while I'm pregnant, but one thing that's been helping are these flavor enhancers that I use from Walmart. So I've just been using this cup around the house, and I keep it nice and full with ice and water. And this flavor enhancer, it's fruit punch, and I just do like a squirt or two in this cup, and that's plenty for me. All right guys, today's lunch is a little bit of like a toddler style meal, but I'm having some mini corn dogs, piece of corn on the cob, and some baked beans, just a little bit of a fridge clean out meal here. And then, of course, as a little snack, I had a homemade lemon bar. These are so good. I am absolutely obsessed with them. I need to make some more because we ate them all. And then later that afternoon, I did have some chips. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not the healthiest pregnant eater, but it is what it is. Just want to be real with you guys. That's what I had for a snack. And I did get my taco fix. So we ordered Jim Boys for dinner that night and had tacos and beans and rice as a family. And then I will tell you guys honestly, this pregnancy has been really weird because I've had a hard time taking my prenatals anytime but the late evening. So it's about 9:30, maybe 10 o'clock at this point, and I'm taking my prenatal vitamins, but along with that, I have to have something a little starchy with it. So otherwise, I'll get like a really bad stomach ache, or I'll just get kind of nauseous. So I have some cereal along with that to help kind of let the vitamins settle. And that's honestly it for my day. That's all I ate this particular day in pregnancy. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.